Okay, so a distance formula is the formula that gives me the length between 2 points. Remember, this is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, and that is the 2 points. x1, y1 is my first point, x2, y2 is my second point. My first example has me finding the distance between 5, 2 and 4, 1. 4, 1. Dang, those are really close for that graph. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to plug into the formula. This is going to be my x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to get d equals the square root of 5 minus 2 squared plus, whoops, did not plug that in right at all. So it's going to be the square root of x2 minus x1, so 4 minus 5 squared plus 1 minus 2 squared. I want to simplify my math. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 1 minus 2, negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1 for both of them. Then I have the square root of 2, which I will find on my phone since you probably don't have graphing calculators at home. So I have an iPhone, so what I want to do if I'm finding the square root of 2 is I'm going to type in 2 and then press the square root button. I want to round to the nearest tenth, so it's going to be 1.4. For my answer. Okay. Moving on. This one is negative 3, negative 5. And negative 4, positive 6. So what I do, this is going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. I want to go ahead and plug those in. So I have d equals square root of negative 4 minus negative 3 squared plus 6 minus negative 5 squared. And I have the double parentheses here so I can keep track of what I'm making negative. So then I have negative 4 plus 3 squared. I did not draw that long enough. Plus 6 plus 5 squared. Okay. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then I want to square those. Negative 1 squared is 1, not 11. 11 squared is 121. So then I have the square root of 122. I want to go ahead and type this on my calculator again. So here is my calculator. I want to do 122, and then I press not squared. 122 and square root the button underneath. So I get 11.04. So this is approximately, that's what this wavy line means, approximately 11. Okay. So one thing I want to note is that when two segments have the same length, they are said to be congruent. And we can say, so this is they have equal lengths. This means the segments have congruent lengths.